how to make a graph on Google Sheets. So if you have a table on Google Sheets like this and you want to create a graph out of it, here's how to do it. So first you will need to select the columns of the data that you want to include in the graph. For example, like this. And then with your tables or columns and lines selected of data that you want to include, hit insert and then scroll down and click on chart. And on the right side, you should see this chart editor tab right here. Under chart type, you want to click on the drop down and select the chart type that you want to use. For example, you can use line, area, column, and pie and stuff like that. I'm going to select an area, which is this one right here. And you can also customize more stuff from here, such as the stacking, whether it's 100% or standard like this. And you can also adjust the axes and stuff like that, and switch rows or use two rows as header. You can also click on the customize on the tab on the upper tab right here, and you can expand the chart style and control the colors and the font used in these charts. And you can also customize the chart and axes titles and the series and legend, horizontal axes, vertical axes, and the guidelines and stuff like that. And from these customizations, you can change stuff such as the title of the graph. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.